Lightning? It sure was lightning. You! I'm talking to you! We're at the Founders Food Hall Market, and I found vegan fudge at the potato fudge place. So I don't know what potato fudge is. Oh, potato cocoa. I don't know what that is. Anyways, I got my parents one, and then I got vegan. I'm so excited. Should I try it?
Yeah, you see the package.
Greasy.
It's pretty good.
How is he moving? Hi. Bye, man. See you later.
Dude, no. These are actually really good. They're so crunchy on the outside, but the inside is like actually good.
Chickeny.
Oh, chicken, yeah. It's like really good.
Mmm. Excuse the fan and the loud noise.
You're your number one fan.
Yeah. I'm having a pear cider. I usually don't drink, but I haven't had, when was the last time I had alcohol?
Last year, maybe.
Like before I was pregnant? I don't know.
Yeah.
Really? No. I don't know.
Like
I have no idea, but it's really good. My dad got me one. Today we went into Charlottetown. It was a torrential downpour. We ate some good food. I got some vegan fudge. Chef's kiss. Now we're just making dinner. I'm making just some noodles and tofu. And my dad's barbecuing some meat and a burger for Greg. Greg's making potatoes. I had like the potatoes and sausage and tofu scramble for breakfast / lunch, and so I just wasn't feeling potatoes and meat again. I was feeling just lots of veggies and some noodles, so I'm gonna do that. That was our day. It was kind of cold out also. We're hoping tomorrow will be nice enough to like go do some outdoor stuff, because today was kind of just like bundled up walking around, but it wasn't like, you know, go to the beach or like play outside kind of weather. But it's warming up now, and I had the baby outside for a while, and yeah, I think that's the update. Oh, I'm going to make I think, maybe tonight, if I have time, some chocolate chip banana loaf. I have lots of recipes. I have one on my YouTube channel. It's like a really old video, and then I have like a chocolate chip banana muffins recipe that I love that I might just turn into a loaf, because we don't have a muffin pan here. We only have loaf pans, so I feel like that'll be really good. All the cookies that I made already are gone, so gotta make something fresh. Yeah, that's the update. I'm making banana bread in like a weird wide loaf pan. Also made strawberry rhubarb crisp, going in the oven soon. She looks good.
Power stance.
What's that?
Hey, buddy.
First touchdown on sand.
Hey, buddy.
Where is
He's
no?
gone through as well, has he? Or is he just going around Verstappen, who's crawling? Verstappen's going to tumble all the way down. I think Norris is struggling. Norris gets to the lead of the race.
Max is. I don't know about Norris. He's still hanging on.
What do you think? Big cow. We just came back from the Cavendish boardwalk. Oh, there's spiders on me. Spiders on my iPad. Where we just had lunch. Greg and I split a Beyond Burger and fries, but we ran into our friends from Halifax while we were there. Like super unexpected. It's always so random to see people, like when you're not expecting to see someone you know. So we just like ate lunch pretty quick. And I didn't vlog or anything, but we did that, and then we went to Cows, and my parents wanted to get Lando a little like Cows shirt or something, so we got him a little matching cow print t-shirt and shorts. It's so cute. Can't wait to see it on him. And we got some strawberry sorbet. They only have sorbets. They don't have like vegan ice cream or anything. And I am dang tired of sorbet, I will tell you that. But honestly, it was really good. Especially after lunch, I really wanted like ice cream. So this morning we watched the Formula One race, Austria. It was insane. If you know, you know. I'm still not over it. And now I'm just on the upstairs balcony with the girls. Willa, Hazel, love it up here, it's so nice. And I'm just going to start transferring some vlog footage to my iPad, because if I wait too long, then I kind of like forget which day was what and like what goes where. So, hello. My dad's downstairs. So I just want to like get stuff uploaded and organized before I kind of like go home and forget everything. So baby just went down for his nap. He was so sleepy, and I don't know if I said, yeah, I think I said this, we got him a crib, so it's been like so much easier putting him down for naps here. And yeah, he's so cute today. I also saw this sweater that I really wanted. Most of the sweaters at the little tourist thing here just say like PEI, but this one specifically said Cavendish Beach. But I think I want to go back and get it because this one says Cavendish Beach and I really like it. That's the beach that we were at yesterday, by the way. So yeah, I'm just gonna start transferring this footage, and yeah, we're going out for dinner tonight at 5. It's 2:20 now, and we go home tomorrow. So tomorrow's Canada Day, and my friend, my best friend in the whole world, is moving back here to moving back to Halifax from China. She bought a house like a couple minutes down the road from me, and she has a baby a couple weeks older than me. And yeah, you'll probably see a lot of her in vlogs coming up. When we had our babies and she went back to China last year, I was like, I can't believe it's gonna be a year until I see you again. And then suddenly the year has passed and it's time for her to move back. So yeah, my life is about to change so much because like my best friend in the whole world has not lived here for, I don't know, like almost 10 years. Like she was at university in Ontario, and then she went to the Middle East to teach, and then she went to China. She's in China for 6 years. So yeah, we haven't like been together for longer than a couple months in the last decade, which is crazy, but we've been friends for 22 years, which is also so crazy. So yeah, life is about to get a whole lot more fun and interesting with my best friend here and her little boy named Murray, and I'm just so excited. So she's on her flight right now from Shanghai to Vancouver, and then they land in Halifax tomorrow morning at like 8:30. And then they go to her parents' house so that they can sleep, because it will have been like 50 hours of travel with a baby and probably no sleep. So they're going to her parents' house, and then hopefully we'll get to see them after that. So, hi. Anyway, we're going to dinner tonight. I forget the place. It's at a golf club. A golf course. So yeah, I think their only vegan option is a veggie burger. We just had that for lunch, so I'm hoping they'll be able to make me like a pasta or something. We'll see. But I dropped my blueberry pie fork. This is random, but I just saw Hazel's arm. I dropped my blueberry pie fork last night, and it fell on Hazel, and now her fur is like stained purple on her arm. Willa, come here. Guess who we saw at the boardwalk? We saw a Bernese Mountain Dog and Great Pyrenees mix. That's like if you and Hazel had a baby.
Don't be gross.
Don't be gross. That's like if you and Hazel had a baby. It would be one Bernese Pyrenees. Say hi, Willa. Say hi to the dog. She's like, please, no, I don't want to be on camera. I love you. You stinky a little bit. Got the vegan burger. It's a fried burger patty with sweet chili sauce, cucumber, lettuce, and tomato. Greg got it too.